Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro. In this video, we'll teach you how to securely erase files on your Mac with Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro. Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro is an all-in-one app that offers memory optimization, disk cleaning, and system monitoring to keep your Mac optimized for the best performance. To get started, click the Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro icon on your menu bar. The Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro Overview dashboard appears. Click System Optimizer. The System Optimizer menu pop-up appears with Junk Files tab selected by default. Click File Shredder. The File Shredder screen appears. Select specific files or folders you want to securely erase by clicking Drag Files or Folders to be shredded, or simply by dragging files or folders to the File Shredder window. The file or folder you selected will be added to the shred list. Click Proceed. Dr. Cleaner Pro prepares your selected file or folder for shredding. When the preparation completes, you're provided with the list of files or folders to be shredded. Click Next. A pop-up appears for you to confirm your selection. Click Shred to securely erase the selected file. Dr. Cleaner Pro securely erases the file, and a complete confirmation appears with the file size of the shredded file. Congratulations! You've just learned how to securely erase files on your Mac with Trend Micro Dr. Cleaner Pro. This concludes this tutorial. For more information, go to the following website.